Welcome back to another day, another vlog. So namhlanje I am back on TikTok. Namhlanje nandizayenza TikTok ndine auntie igama lakhe nguMonique Valemse une-surname ye-Miss esikoleni samu and Monique umsemhle unenwele mshemshe ubuso wakhe. It's very beautiful Betuna. You guys must come, you must see her. You guys must know her on TikTok. You must know her. Ingxaki, and I have makhulu. Igama kamakhulu wami nguChristina Swartz. Une-husband. Okay guys, I'm gonna switch to Afrikaans now. Now I'm gonna switch to Afrikaans. So my ander oma se man se naam is Vrindel. Hy het tette gehad. Ek het as tette gesien, het lyk soos stamelies en pointjies. Stamelies en pointjies, guys. I must tell you that.